Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start learning data science. First, build a strong foundation in mathematics. This includes understanding linear algebra, calculus, and fundamental statistics. Grasping concepts like probability and hypothesis testing is crucial. Simultaneously, begin learning a programming language. Python and R are excellent choices, offering robust libraries for data manipulation and analysis. Dedicate at least 100 hours to these foundational skills. Once you have a programming base, dive into essential tools. Master data manipulation using libraries like Pandas in Python, which is vital for cleaning and transforming datasets. Learn to visualize data effectively with tools such as Matplotlib or ggplot2, creating insightful charts. Additionally, gain proficiency in SQL for efficient database querying and management, a skill used daily. Next, delve into the exciting world of machine learning. Begin by exploring supervised learning algorithms, such as linear regression and various classification techniques. Then, understand unsupervised learning methods like clustering, which identify patterns without labeled data. Learn to evaluate model performance using key metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall to ensure robust solutions. This is a core component. Finally, the most crucial step is consistent practice. Apply your knowledge by working on real-world data science projects, even small ones. Build a compelling portfolio to showcase your skills and completed work to potential employers. Continuously stay updated with new technologies, evolving industry trends, and advanced algorithms. This ongoing learning ensures you remain competitive and effective in the field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.